guys. I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. And I wanted to come with a really quick message, right, for 2021. If you are new and you're stepping into cryptocurrency, specifically because you've been hearing a lot about Bitcoin, right? You have been rightfully so hearing about it because right now Bitcoin is experiencing an incredible bull run, right? So as little as a few months ago, right, back in May, it was around 8,000 something, almost 9, and now we're looking at almost 30K, right? So that's a huge move. However, if you're stepping into it now, I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. Unless you're stepping in with a huge amount of money, you're not going to necessarily get rich. You will make money. You will make some money, right? You will make some profits, but not necessarily get rich. And I'm not trying to deflate you guys at all, but I'm just keeping it real. There's a lot of huge, notable corporate power CEOs that are stepping into Bitcoin now, but they're, really putting in some real dough to make some dough. But anyway, the whole point of what I'm saying is that there's still an opportunity to get rich, and I say that very loosely, but there's an opportunity to make money with cryptocurrency. If you all are aware of altcoins, I don't know if you guys, some of you all may be familiar with it, but altcoins just basically are alternative coins to Bitcoin, right? Ethereum is the next huge Bitcoin. I'll just say it's the next Bitcoin, right? And it usually kind of works with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's up, Ethereum's up, right? In May, Ethereum was around worth about 300. Now it's almost to 1,000. Okay, and it's moving just as quickly as Bitcoin. If you get in on Ethereum now is a perfect time opportunity to invest in that. That I wouldn't, I use the word get rich loosely, but Ethereum is a great opportunity to invest. So that's just my quick little tidbit. I don't know about you guys, but definitely trying to accumulate a few Ethereum now. Just saying. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe. So basically what I'm saying, I'm not deflating you guys or pushing you guys away from Bitcoin. I'm just saying that unless you're really making a huge purchase of Bitcoin, you're not going to get rich. Basically, that's what I'm saying.